We all heavily rely on our closets to hold anything we need to store, yet we often overlook them when it comes to organizing our homes. With these unbelievably creative IKEA closet design ideas to inspire you, IKEA closet hacks will transform the way your closet looks. These ideas are great for low budgets. 1. An easy DIY custom closet. Got a closet in your home in desperate need of some revamping? The IKEA Billy bookcase will be your rescuer. Remove those awful standard wire shelves and replace them with something sleek and modern while staying within your budget. Customize the closet of your dreams without dealing with nightmarish costs. 2. Integrated mom drawers for a walk-in closet. The IKEA Mom collection is full of clever, sleek home storage ideas. If you're desperate for that dreamy walk-in closet, this hack can give it to you with a little time and effort. All you'll need is a mom chest of 4 drawers from IKEA, and 2 IKEA Vika doll mirror doors. Find a corner of your bedroom and build the closet's frame into it. You can do it using the mirror doors to section the area off and the drawers for internal storage. 3. Make a full-sized wardrobe with IKEA dressers. If you're absolutely in love with the idea of the IKEA Pax wardrobe, but it seems a little far out of your budget, this genius DIY used 2 IKEA dressers to construct an entire wardrobe. This beauty sits outside your standard closet, so make sure you have enough space for it to fit. 4. DIY closet makeover with IKEA TroFast. The IKEA TroFast storage unit is super affordable and easy to customize, so it's perfect for a DIY closet makeover. Stack them side by side to offer enhanced storage in your home's closet without any extra renovations. 5. Children's closet with IKEA Billy bookshelf. As kids grow older and start to choose their own clothes, they outgrow the drawers and boxes of the baby years. So, how do you cater to that change in their bedroom? By giving them their very own closet, of course. The IKEA Billy bookcase doubles beautifully as a child-sized closer. 6. Customized IKEA Hem's wardrobe. The IKEA Hem's wardrobe is ideal for DIY closet projects. This closet features flat sliding doors and a whole lot of storage. So, it's the perfect addition to any room in your house. Need more space in your study? Remove the middle of the doors and replace them with clear acrylic for a modern craft cupboard. Adapting your bedroom to a beachy vibe. Repaint the hem sky blue and add some wicker to the doors. 7. Refine your Pax closet with crown moldings. When so many people have the same closet in their homes, it can be frustrating to create something unique. Luckily, there's a solution. If your home already features crown moldings, this hack is perfect, but you can also do it just to add some interest to a plain Pax closet. Pick up some crown molding trim to add to the top of your closet. Not only does it add to its design, but you're also helping to integrate a freestanding closet into your home. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and give your comments in this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.